Talk to the ostrich. Let's talk to the ostrich.
There's a peacock ko.
Takot si Abby. Abby, are you scared?
Talk to the ostrich.
Sit.
This is they like you.
Say hi, ostrich.
Baliw ka Ligon. Biglang... Ayan na daw, B.
What?
What's this?
A deer. What?
Everyday.
My favorite.
Peacock ko.
Peacock.
Ayan, nalapit natin. Patahin mo talaga maksyon. Ano? Tagay mo yun.
Ito po nagsabi nun.
Ganun kasi yun eh. Wow! Wow! Ito peacock.
Ay, maliit. Kaya kami ni Abby yun.
Kaya kayo na. Hindi naman na.
Kaya kami niya, kuya. Dalawa kami. O, isa lang yan. Isa lang. Eh, di si Abby. Hey, wanna ride?
Hindi ko lang alam
Abby
kung
only?
kaya niya by himself.